This is a little fun one. We always talk about cyber campers.
Yeah.
And there's a video that goes with this one, and it's actually pretty well done.
Is this a new one, or is this
This is a new one.
a follow-up? Okay.
It's called the Space Camper.
Space Camper, $24,000.
Yeah.
That's no joke right there, Will.
But it's very comprehensive, this video.
Okay.
So,
Okay, hit us with it. We see solar panels. We see a huge rack. Oh, I like the installation. But where do I get that metal frame to hold it up? Oh, it looks cool, too.
it should come with it, right?
That's actually a cool look. Like if the Cybertruck just looked like that, almost like a van,
Oh,
So it folds up.
and the roof goes up.
so you still have the bed of the...
So it has
the truck.
overlanding.
How much of this is manual work, and how much of it is?
It
automatic?
looks manual. It looks all manual to me. Which is fine. There's a lot of that going on.
$25K.
There's a lot of that going on with the overlanding. Oh.
So this is kind of cool.
Look at the stars.
That's kind of cool.
The bed
actually, yeah.
does 1,000 different things.
Yeah, it converts into a table, a desk.
God, a table on the roof of the van.
Yeah.
So you just moved this giant chair thing inside?
Oh, look, movie night.
Okay, this is
Driving.
cool.
Oh,
This is the vibe right
that's
here.
the one you wanted.
So
This
there's
is
double
the vibe.
beds, right?
Because you're the van guy as well, right?
Yeah.
This,
Well, you're actually the van guy. You know that, right?
I use it 4 times, I think. So,
it's covered.
and
in
never
snow
in
right now.
never in the van way.
No, I know. You used it in like the
Weird sports way.
Yeah. The tailgating way.
Because you are like van guy. You're like
I want to get smelly in there.
camping
Like, yeah,
in a van
yeah.
in a minus 20 mountaintop.
Like the YouTube videos.
Exactly.
Cooking, sizzling, searing,
Wait, does this come with a projector?
Damn right it does.
I don't think so, but there's one installed, I guess. Or
So
you
that's
can
half
install
half the price of the previous one they showed called the Cyberlander. So the Cyberlander was, I think it had like a bathroom. It was crazy. You stand up in it.
These getting a little out of hand. Like we don't even have the truck yet.
I'm an investor. Well,
Okay, I remember Will showing us one that was like one to go on water. Like it turned the truck into a boat.
oh, shower, Mo. There's a shower there.
Okay.
It's outside
Oh, and you get to build your.
with
What's
the
going on?
accordion.
That's a pooper right there.
Just folds up
Compost toilet.
in the middle of a desert.
Okay, so you give them some money today, and you're getting your product in what year?
Yeah, I don't know.
20,
That's a lot of
2028.
money.
2028. Come on, Will.
Yeah, 2 years.
I think you're pretty
I
close.
say 2
yeah.
years.
Wait,
After the
that would
Cybertruck
be-
launches.
Yeah, so 2 years.
Or begins delivery.
What are you talking about? 2 years though.
For this product, I would say.
Yeah, I'm kind of with Will.
What's he got in 2025?
2025.
Yeah.
All right.
Because when are we? When are we expecting the Cybertruck delivery? Do we know?
They say next year.
Like 2023?
Don't look at me with that stuff.
Yeah, I know.
They say next year, though.
Forever.
I'm heavy skeptical. But that'll be cool.
Yeah, maybe.
That'll be cool. Shows up.
So yeah, it has like a bunch of features, but I mean, it's cool. It's nice to dream.
So they think you can keep it in your garage on that stand or something, and then easily take it on and off. Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be a key because getting these things on and off is a disaster.
And it looks so streamlined.
When I have trucks, I tend to have some sort of cover on them anyway. Mm-hmm. So
You're talking about the bed, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So this would do that, but those bed covers are a couple $1,000s. They're not $25,000.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you want to have a camper going with you everywhere you go.